Have you ever wondered how to make millions in real estate? Imagine the possibilities that lie within this vast and lucrative field. Today we're about to delve into 9 insightful tips that could transform your real estate journey. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets of real estate success. Firstly, educate yourself about real estate. The key to success lies in understanding the market, the laws that govern it, and the trends that drive it. Navigating this complex landscape requires more than just intuition. Knowledge is power, especially in real estate. Secondly, network relentlessly. In real estate, connections are a goldmine. They open doors to opportunities you might not have even thought about. From brokers to investors, your contacts can become your path to lucrative deals. Your network is your net worth in real estate. Thirdly, develop a solid investment strategy. A well-thought-out plan is crucial. It involves picking the right type of property, be it commercial or residential, and choosing an optimal location. Remember, a good strategy is the backbone of successful real estate investing. Fourthly, practice patience. Real estate isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Investments in this field are time-bound. The real trick lies in waiting, observing market trends, and striking when the time is just right. In real estate, the waiting game can pay off big time. Fifthly, diversify your portfolio. Diversification, the art of spreading your investments across different types of properties and locations, is a smart move. This strategy can help cushion against market fluctuations and open doors to varied opportunities. Diversification can mitigate risks and maximize returns. Sixthly, leverage wisely. This means using borrowed capital to amplify your investment's potential return. It's like wielding a double-edged sword. It can dramatically boost your profits but also your losses. So always remember, leverage, when used correctly, can be a powerful tool. Seventhly, manage properties efficiently. Your ability to maintain these assets, handle tenant relations, and secure a consistent income stream is crucial. The art of managing properties is more than just upkeep. It's a strategic component of wealth generation. Effective property management can significantly increase your profits. Eighthly, master the art of timing the market. It's like dancing with the rhythms of real estate cycles. Understanding when to make your move, when to invest, can significantly impact your profits. Timing the market right can make a world of difference to your returns. Lastly, never stop learning. The real estate market is dynamic, constantly evolving with new trends, shifts in regulations, and fluctuating market conditions. Staying updated is not optional, it's essential, because remember, in real estate, the learning never stops. With these 9 tips, you are well on your way to making millions in real estate. By focusing on education, networking, strategy, patience, diversification, leverage, property management, market timing, and continuous learning, the path to wealth is clear. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on making millions. Let your real estate journey begin.